Hi, it's Henry from Farol. During these difficult times, connectivity and remote support can really help your business stay on track. Farol have a range of tools on offer enabled by JDLink. Let's have a quick look at some of those connected tools and how we can support you remotely. Whether on mobile, tablet or desktop, you can make use of these tools from John Deere. Using the My Operations app, here is how we can access your display remotely. Simply select your connected machine from the drop-down menu and hit the RDA button on the right-hand side. When a connection is made, you will hear this sound. We can then help you find the resolution to your problem. Once you are happy, you can end the connection by hitting the End button in the Remote Display Access window. In addition to remotely viewing your display, we can view machine location and history, for example here in the My Operations app. Crucial machine data can also be viewed here. And if we do need to make a visit, we can get directions straight to your machine from our mobile map provider. With no subscription cost and the ability to be fit to any type of machine, JDLink is the ultimate tool for your business. For more information, contact your local Farol depot or email technology@farol.co.uk.